The top 3 secret copywriting formulas. What formula do you need to write a strong and a good copy? Finding a great formula that works for you, whether it's a storytelling formula, a headline formula, or any other, can be a big time productivity boost. Hey guys, my name is Sumit from Paper Video, and in this video I'm going to share some of the secrets used by successful copywriters. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and educational videos. You can also turn on notifications by clicking on the bell button to get notified as soon as we upload our new video. Now, good copywriting tends to be concise, but great copywriting is also memorable, often because it plays on current events, gets controversial, or attempts something that has never been done before. It's a copy that shows the copywriter knows their target audience, and it's effective because it moves metrics like sales and impressions. Your first question would be, where do I start? Well, your headline is the first thing web visitors will look on your website, even before they look at an image. A good headline focuses on one big idea, usually your most important benefit. When you are writing a headline for your web copy, what is the main message? Focus on just one thing. Explain what you do or tell how your readers will benefit from your product or your service. Now let's go through 3 formulas for writing a compelling story. So number first, before after bridge. Before, here's your world. Example, are you finding it tough to find more leads and prospects for your sales team? After, imagine what it'd be like having a problem. Example, what if I told you there is a tool that helps you with your cold email campaigns? A tool that can help you create personalized one-to-one cold emails, reach out to prospects with automated follow-ups, track email opens, click and replies, identify and build database of prospects, and more. Overall, helping you improve your conversion rates. Bridge, here's how to get there. Example, if you are willing to give us 15 minutes, I can show you how we achieved a 45% response rate for a sample size of 80 prospects in one of our cold email campaigns. This is our current go-to formula. Describe a problem, describe a world where the problem doesn't exist, then explain how to get there. It's a super simple setup and it can work for blog post intros, social media updates, email, and anywhere else that you write or speak for that matter. Number 2 is problem, agitate, solve. Identify a problem, agitate the problem, solve the problem. You're looking at one of the most popular copywriting formulas out there. Copyblogger calls this formula the key to dominating social media. It's always present in copywriting lists and tips. Compared to the first copywriting formula in our list, it's nearly an identical match with only one difference. Instead of describing life without the problem, the after part, you display life if the situation were to exist, the agitate part. Features and specifications are cold hard facts, and they can be a little boring, dull. Your readers will pay more attention if you can present solutions to their problems, because problems catch the eye. For example, let's take an imaginary holiday website. Problem: finding the perfect hotel can be stressful, almost too stressful to bother. Agitate: hunting down all your options, working out how far away the local hotspots are, and reading reviews from other guests. Then of course there is a price, and all within your lunch hour? Impossible. Solve: not impossible. AwesomeHotels.com makes finding the best hotel deals quick and easy. We compare hundreds of travel sites for you so you can get the best hotel deals available, and all faster than you can say scrambled eggs on toast. So number 3 is features, advantages, and benefits. FAB. Features: what you or your product can do. Advantages: why this is helpful. Benefits: what it means for the person reading. This copywriting formula highlights one of my favorite writing advice bits. Focus on benefits and not features. I also like the way the copywriter Joe Vitale phrases this one. You get this and the product does this so that you get this. Another excellent example of great copywriting is Apple. How does Apple do it? Apple seduces with great design. It creates a big buzz for each product launch, and it has raving fans. But its sales copy plays a key role too. Apple copywriters know exactly how to sell with words. They know the copywriting tricks, techniques, and formulas that sell products. And they understand which words to choose to help you justify your next iPhone purchase. Even if you possess the still fully functional latest iPhone, you want to be convincing because you want people to buy your products. It's not enough to tell your audience how good your product is. You have to anticipate their objections and overcome them one by one. You need to reassure potential buyers. Broken sentences. Remember how your high school teacher disapproved of using broken sentences? In high school, you learned a more academic way of writing. The sales copy is different. The sales copy needs to be easy to read. Your readers don't want to make an effort to read your content. Short sentences are much easier to read than long, spiritless sentences. That's why Apple copywriters don't worry about starting a sentence with and or but. They do it quite often. It doesn't seem possible, but it is. It's our thinnest display ever, and it's the first of its kind. And that's just for starters. Short sentences are easier to read and easier to understand. And short sentences also improve the rhythm of the copy. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like and share it with your friends, family and colleagues. Drop a comment and let me know what you think is the formula that would work the best for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.